Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 3 active, and I'm gonna show you how to find the serial number and the email number on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the crown button like this, then swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here scroll up and tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, let's scroll down and tap on the about option. And here, let's scroll down. As you can see, we have an email number right here. And if you scroll down even lower, you should have a serial number right here. And that's how you check the serial number and the email number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.